What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Break NL. We're getting ready for our 3-box mini break. It is break 610, number 610. It is going in 45 minutes. We're doing our teams right now, live. Good luck. 4 times is always on the list, and it's 9:14 in Newfoundland right now. We got Anaheim to Winnipeg, and Justin in spot 1 all the way down to Terry in the last spot. So we'll start with the teams. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3. Is it timestamp? Timestamp on 3 is at 9:15. 9:15 it is. Last and final random on the teams. And we'll get your last timestamp. Final timestamp on the teams is at 9:15. At 9:15 it is. Copy them over. Tampa Bay, Philly. Tampa Bay to Philly. And Chicago to Calgary. There is your teams. Now let's get the names and match them up. 9:15 still. Justin to Terry. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Okay, third timestamp on the teams. On the names. 9:15. 9:15 it is. Last and final random. We'll do it, guys. There you go. We got Bob to Steve. We'll copy over the last timestamp. Last timestamp. Last timestamp says 9:16. And 9:16 it is. Good luck. We got Bob to Clay. Bob to Clay and Michael to Steve. All right, folks. Here's your teams. We'll put them in the comments, and we'll see you soon. Best of luck. Thanks.